Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging a bit with me today. I am opening a fun themed Wantable edit today. This is a style edit and it is called Summer in the City. I can't wait to dig into it. If you're new, I'm Laura. I do have sleepy sidekicks. Wyatt is the only one out here with me, so he is enjoying the sunshine. I'm trying to stay out of the sunshine to avoid that glare. Zena, she's in bed, and Harvey's doing whatever he wants. I'm Laura. If you're new, we sure hope you stick around for the long haul. Hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. All right, so Wantable is such a fun subscription. I feel like they've really stepped up their game lately. They have 3 different edits that you can choose from, and it is a styling subscription. So it's a styling service. It generally is a subscription, but if you want to get them ad hoc as opposed to on a regular schedule, you can do that, no problem. The 3 edits that they have are the style edit, which is what I'm going to share with you, and this comes as a regular style edit. If you've signed up monthly, you can get just a regular style edit, nothing, no theme, or they have new themes every single month, which are so fun. Then they have the active edit, which is your workout wear, your athletic wear, athleisure, that kind of stuff. And then they have their sleep and body edit, which is all about PJs, undies, and sleep leisure. The style edit is your everyday work, vacation, weekend, all of that. $20 styling fee goes against anything you want to keep. You get 7 items. If you keep 5 or more, you get 20% off. Let's dig in. So I am not getting anything on a regular basis. I decide to just do the themed boxes. So I always choose the once and done. And after I enrolled, I did the regular subscription for a bit, and then I just stopped them all, and I decided to go with the themes that resonated with me the best. If you're hearing coughing, that is Wyatt being silly over there. I think he has a fur ball. Okay, so right inside my box tells you what to do once you get it. And then I loved my personalized sticker here, closing my bundle. And then right on top will be my pamphlet that tells me all about my particular edit, as well as notes from my stylist and a pricing sheet. And then a bag to return anything I don't love and don't want to keep. All right, let's get into this bundle. All right, so this looks fun. Let's do it. First item looks like a floral. It is by Lush, and it is, oh, it's a top. Yeah, look how cute that is. So it has the sheer sleeves, the smocked bodice. It looks like a sweetheart neckline there. Oh, and it has a little bit of a drawstring in the front too, so it looks like you can pull that up in the middle. That is super cute. Then next up, something from Z Supply, one of my favorites. This is a cute little button down. Very lightweight. Looks like it's in a linen. That's cute, and probably to go with these cute pants, which were on my wish list. So Wantable has a stream, and you can go and you can view all the items that they have available in your size, request or decline them. It'll show if your size is available or not. And once you request it, it goes on your wish list, and you have a really good chance of getting it in one of your next boxes. So this is the Soleil Cusco linen blend pant in grape, and I did have this on my wish list. I love the pattern, of course, you know, because it's a palm leaf. How cute are these? Love. Then I have something else from Z Supply, and these are called the Do It All Straight Leg Trouser in black. How fun are these? They look so dressy, but they're a slip-on and they have stretch. They have, let's see, no front pockets, and I think these back pockets are faux. Yeah, they are. But they look like a fun little trouser, don't they? Like you could really dress that up. Wish you could feel them. So stretchy. Adorable. All right, next up is another Z Supply pant. This is the Scout Jersey Flare Pant in Cocoa Berry. I love these. I have them in blue. I think I have them in black too. I love these. I did also put these on my wish list. This is a fun transitional color, so I could wear it now and later. Front pockets, elastic waist, pull-on style, and a little bit wider. I believe these are also a little cropped. And then we have, what is this? Something from Thread and Supply, a jacket. Oh, that is cute. This also has a little bit of stretch to it. Are these snaps? These are snaps. I love when it snaps as opposed to a button. It's in this awesome green color. How fun is this? That feels very relaxed to me. And then last item is the Logan HighRise Dad Jean by Hidden. These have some awesome stretch too. These are cropped, have a wider leg. All right, so those are cute. And let's see, I got the Scout jersey are the only item from my wish list, but I've gotten like 6 out of 7 in my last box was from my wish list, so that is amazing. And my stylist is Amanda. I've had her before. She said, this summer I want you to stay cool and look even cooler. That's why I pulled 7 easy yet elevated pieces you'll want to wear on repeat, all based on your style and fit preferences, and all inspired by understated big city style. Happy to be able to include the Cocoa Berry pant from your wish list. This edit too. Slay the weekend in these versatile flare pants made of so soft cotton jersey. What works on or off duty? Now, I think they missed, it's actually 2 items because those Soleil, they're saying that the Scout jersey was the only one, but I also had put on my wish list the pants with the palm leaves on them. So actually I got 2 wish list items. And then she said, then it's called the perfect linen shirt for a reason. This white top I chose has a button up front, a breast pocket, and a chic rounded hem. You can tuck or untuck for endless weekend vibes. Made of breezy linen blend too. This is going to be fun. Let's see what works. First outfit, the Z Supply linen top and the Hidden pant. So this pant, let's start with, and it is a great length, hitting right above my ankle, or yeah, right above my ankle bone there. So are cropped, and they have some amazing stretch. These are a size 25 that I have on. My initial thought was to size up, but now I'm thinking, they're probably going to relax a little bit as I wear them. So I might just stick with this particular pair because they do have some give to them. Here's the back. You can see that. This is such a nice green because it is a major neutral. Will go with just about everything. Such a nice pant. Also great for wearing now and later. And then I had a lot of fun. I happen to have a colored bralette on today in a purple, but this is a super cute linen shirt. You could put a fun bralette under it. You could button it all the way up. You could tie it. You could do a front tuck. I wanted you to see how long it is before I did the front tuck. You could do a half front tuck, you know, all different ways in order to wear this fun top. Just a great basic. What do you think of this one? So this is called the Perfect Linen Top in White by Z Supply. I'm wearing an extra small. $79 is the regular price. And then for the pant, this is the Logan HighRise Wide Leg Jean in Sage. I'm wearing a size 25, as I mentioned, by Hidden, and it is $94. What do you think of these 2 to start off with? Next up, now I have on the Z Supply pant, which I love. And she did size up for me in these, which is a small. And that is typically what I like to do with this type of pant. So they pull on so nice and easy. They're a little bit more relaxed. You can wear them for more of a professional look. Or you could put tennis shoes on and a sweatshirt and off you go. Like it here with this top tied as well. You can do that. No pockets in the front. Just a really great streamlined look. Hits me right at the top of my foot. So, so cute. These are definitely a keeper. These are called the Do It All Straight Leg Trouser in black. As I mentioned, I'm wearing a size small, and they're by Z Supply. They're $99 regular price. But remember, I get $20 off, or my $20 styling credit goes towards anything I keep, plus if I keep 5 or more, 20% off. Otherwise, just keep what you love. We'll keep going. Next up, all right, so how about the Scout Pant in this really cool purple? Goes so well with this top. So great pairing by my stylist. Again, this is something that you could wear with tennis shoes, flip-flops, a heel, all the things. You can really dress this up in many different ways. So love the flexibility. They're stretchy, pockets here in the front, elastic pull-on waist. Hit me right at my ankle bone again. And the color, wear now, wear later. So fun. Makes them very versatile. The top, so I was thinking I was going to hate this top. I'll be honest. When I first opened it, I was like, oh, I don't know. This really doesn't seem to be me. But how pretty is this top by Lush? So complete smocking all through here. Well, not smocking. I should say it is lined here all through the front, smocking all in the back. There we go. And then this is gather. So you can make this longer, which is what I did. I pulled it down to cover my tummy, or you could pull it up and make it shorter and then tie it like that. So you can kind of put it wherever on your body it fits the best. See this gathering detail here? It's a very wide neckline, so you probably will want to go with a strapless bra. Elastic here around the shoulders, and then a sheer sleeve, and I bloused it a little bit by pushing it up. You could bring it down a little bit more, wherever, again, it's comfortable for you. Enjoying this look. It's a way to put on your, like, pajama pants, but have a top that is ready for work from home days, right? And you could be super comfy. All right, so the Scout Pant, which is the Scout Jersey Flare Pant in Cocoa Berry. I'm wearing an extra small, which is the normal size I do wear in this particular Z Supply pant, unlike the Pant knit trouser that I really liked. That one I usually do size up in. So I'm wearing an extra small in this, which I think are perfect, $64. And then we have the front ruched blouse in Cream Berry. I'm wearing an extra small, as I mentioned, by Lush, and it is $59. And I have one more look for you. Final look, the Z Supply pant and the Thread and Supply top or jacket, because you could use this as a jacket. A couple of things, I cuffed one of them and left the other one long, just so you can see the length of the arm and what it looks like cuffed. It's about 90 degrees outside. I'm trying this on, so this is a little bit warm for me right now, but great for, I think, a city look when you might be going in and out of air conditioning. The evenings when the sun goes down and it gets a bit cooler, this would be a really nice top layer. I would suggest for this particular outfit today, I would need a tank top to go with the pants and then keep this for the evening. But I did a one tuck. You could do a full tuck or just wear it open as a jacket, which I think is my favorite. So I think this is really nice. It does have two snaps here at the wrist. And then it has a little bit of give, but not a ton, but just a little, just enough, so you're not feeling like it's holding you back and holding you in, right? It's enough. I have room here through the chest. Here's what it looks like out. I always tend to undo the bottom snap or two just to give myself a little bit more room in the hip area, so even when I do snap it as a top. Let me know what you think. And then finally, we have these really great pull-on pants in this super fun pattern. Love it. Drawstring waist, loose fit, pockets on the side, and hits a full-length pant. So for me, it is hitting at the bottom of my foot. I put on a little bit of a heel just to make sure I wasn't hitting the floor. I love this. Okay, so for the Pippin jacket in olive, fine. I'm wearing an extra small by Thread and Supply, $88. And then the Soleil Cusco Linen Blend Pant in Grape Leaf, I'm wearing a small in these, $89. Total for all 7 items is $572. Remember, if you keep 5 or more, 20% off. So 20% off all is $114.40, and also minus my styling fee. Brings all 7 items down to $437.60, which I don't think is too bad. So I actually don't know what I would send back. I think this is a really, really great collection. I would look to see if I have a top similar to this one maybe, and see if I can send this back, as well as like the white linen top as well, maybe to send that back as if I have something similar and it would work. Those would probably be the 2 I would think about, because I definitely want to keep the trouser pant in black. I actually really liked the Lush top. I think that was pretty. Let me know what you think. The additional little ruching in the front added a different look to it. And then the Logan pant, those were nice. And I'm loving these pants right here. So let me know what you think. I'll list all these items down below in case you'd like to check any of them out. I will put my link to Wantable, because if you use my link, you'll get money towards your first purchase. Can't wait to hear what you thought I should add to my closet. So comment down below what your favorites were. And thanks for hanging out with me today. This is what keeps me going, each and every one of you. So please do drop a comment, hit that like, hit that subscribe so I can keep on going. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everybody.